Welcome to the channel. In this video, we will see how we can enable dark theme in Windows 11 operating system. Windows 11 comes with the light theme by default. If you want the dark theme, then you have to right click on a desktop and you have to click on personalize. It will open up the personalization settings window. Here you can find themes. Click on that. Now you guys can see current theme, which is Windows Lite selected, and here you guys can find all the themes that are available. If you want to switch to the dark theme, then you just have to click on the option which says Windows Dark, or you guys can choose any other theme that you like. So here I'm going to click on the Windows Dark, and that's it. Dark theme will be applied to my computer. Now, if you want the light theme back, then you have to come back to this particular setting and you just have to click on the Windows Lite option. So this is it, guys. This is how we can enable dark theme in Windows 11 operating system. If you like the video, hit the like button. If you don't like it, hit the dislike button. If you have anything to say, then write that in the comment box. For more tutorials like this, do subscribe to the channel.